Southbank Skate Space saved, London's beloved skate haven, triumphs London, UK. Southbank Skate Space, a cornerstone of London's skate culture since the 1970s, narrowly escaped demolition after local authorities proposed replacing it with new retail developments. Situated near the River Thames, this iconic spot has long been a hub for skaters, artists, and urban enthusiasts. When plans to commercialize the area were announced, the skate community and local residents swiftly mobilized. Thousands of young people signed petitions both online and on-site, demonstrating their commitment to preserving the space. Social media campaigns amplified their voices, sharing personal stories and the cultural significance of Southbank Skate Space. After months of persistent advocacy, the authorities relented. An official statement confirmed that Southbank Skate Space would remain intact, safeguarding its role as a vital cultural and sporting venue. This victory highlights the power of youth and community action in shaping urban landscapes. Beyond its skate ramps, Southbank is shrouded in local legends and mysterious tales of legendary skaters who continue to inspire new generations. As it moves forward, the space promises to host more events and competitions, ensuring that its legacy of creativity and rebellion endures in the heart of London. By hiking in London Club,